the principal.
Coffee, number 17, Fiona.
Zeus is in the lead here in the fourth by 6.
Oh, that was a nice set. Fast set to Eliza Valdez on the open side.
Eliza
Down the line.
she just knows when to. May sabi mo, 17 all nun eh. Galanza, who I think started today, is back on the floor.
Yes, siya yung nag-start for
Galanza.
Creamline first set.
Yes, she did. She actually has 5 points. Pushed up. It has to be the third try. Down the middle we go.
Off the block.
Off the block.
Down to 4.
Nice serve.
Eroa makes it a set. Arroyo shoots. Bonds repelling Gonzaga. Reached for by Galanza. Tough angle to work with. And we are still in play. And we are still in play. Oh!
Ang layo niya, waiting for a strong hit. Nakuha pa rin niya yung drop ball behind the blockers.
Parang basang-basa niya kung anong ginagawa ng kalaban. 3 ang lamang ng Zeus dito sa fourth. Reached for by the Guzman.
Nakaharap sa cross court but targeting down.
Larry De Young, our panel directors in all of those leagues.
Serving still, number 23, Gemma Galanza.
Galanza serving. Nip the net. Arroyo! Sabi nga ni Roger Federer, that point that you lost, you won, is gone. That's done. Bonds.
Not a good first ball.
Oh, what happened there?
Ceballos was waiting for the second touch because usually pag ganyan mga out of system, ang first priority is to set up your open hitters. But nagkabungguan na doon si Arroyo and si Eroa. Take a look at that again.
Oo nga.
Hindi na makakahabol doon si Arroyo and si Eroa.
Na tayo at 15.
Nice set.
Arroyo keeping it very much in place. Ceballos blasts away. And look at this. Galanza joins the party. That's 4 straight points by Creamline. We hit the second technical timeout.
For Creamline.
In the third set, they went blow by blow. Mondoñedo grapples. Tumama ba sa tenan? Hindi naman.
No. Free ball given to Creamline.
Oh, that's out.
For Creamline.
In the third set, they went blow by blow. Mondoñedo grapples. Tumama ba sa tenan? Hindi naman.
No. Free ball given to Creamline.
Oh, that's out.
Off the block, Gemma Galanza. It was not a strong hit, but a good target there. Down the line, swiping off the hands of the blocker.
Nicely done, but also nicely done on the other side. Carlos to Guzman. Hammer time by Galanza.
Iniipit ni Gia yung set up niya on that side of the court because Cheeside is the one blocking there and down the line. Oh! Still alive! Chance for Creamline. Nice dig by Gonzaga.
Defense is going to matter here. Galanza catching some late fire here.
Ang bilis ng galaw talaga ng attackers ng Creamline.
Yes, they are.
Nag-scramble pa sa defense ang Zeus. Gia keeps on signaling her attackers to go on the approach. Bibigay lang niya ng bibigay. Same target for Galanza, always getting that down the line touch.
Galanza catching some late fire. Catching lightning in a bottle here.
Zeus Coffee.
out. 22-17. Creamline trying to close the book on this one.
Good first ball.
Initin na ni Gemma. 11 points. Give you everything that we do in the closing.
We'll see you again.
Don't